Simple and super useful Pomodoro Timer using React. This is great for productivity and a fun way to practice React fundamentals like state, effects, and intervals. Let's jump right in. First, we'll create a new React app. Open your terminal and run this. Bash npx create React app Pomodoro Timer. Once it's done, move into the folder and start the development server. Bash cd Pomodoro Timer npm start. That's it. Your app should now be running in the browser. Now open the project in your code editor and head over to the src folder. We'll write all our code in app.js. Delete everything inside app.js and replace it with this full code. Import React, useState, useEffect from React. Function app const time set time equals useState 2560, 25 minutes. Const is running, set is running equals useState false. Const mode set mode useState focus. Or break, const cycles set cycles useState 0. useEffect let timer, if is running. Timer equals setInterval equals set time prev, if prev equal 1 handle timer end, return 0, return prev is 1, 1000, return equals clear interval timer, is running, const handle timer end equals, set is running false. If mode equal focus, set mode break, set time 5 to 60, 5 minutes break. Else, set mode focus, set time 2560, set cycles c plus 1. Const format time equals. Const mins equals math floor time my 60 dot to string dot pad start 0. Const cease equal time sense 60 to string dot pad start 20. Return $min mins sex. Const handle reset equals. Set is running false. Set time mode equal focus 25 tar 60 5 tar 60. Return div stylic h Pomodoro timer mode focus time break time. Div styles timer format time styles buttons. Button on click equals set is running, pause, start, button on click, handle reset. Pomodoro's completed, cycles, const styles equals container, font family, sans serif, text align center, margin top 50px, timer, font size 48p, margin 20px, buttons, display flex, justify content center, gap 10px, export default app. Save the file and head back to your browser. You'll see your Pomodoro timer already running. Click Start to begin your 25-minute focus session. Once the timer finishes, it will automatically switch to a 5-minute break. After that, it loops back to focus time. It also keeps count of how many Pomodoro cycles you've completed. You can click Pause anytime or hit Reset to start over. Feel free to play around with the durations.